Hi there, in this video I'm going to explain you various examples on usermod command in Linux. So usermod command is used to modify the information related to the user, and it has got a lot of switches. So I'm gonna just walk you through all these examples. So first one is this usermod-e and then date and then username. What this command does is that it sets the account expiry date for that particular user account. So this means this user's account, Sean user's account, is gonna expire on 30 December 2017. So you can use this switch E to set the expiry date for the user accounts. Then next switch that you can be used with usermod is -G, small g. Then here you have to give the new group name and then the username for which you want to change this group. This command will change the primary group of this particular user to this group. Then there is next command, that is -small a capital G. What this command does is that this will add this user Sean into secondary group with this name. So this small a g, these switches are required, otherwise all the existing groups for this particular user will be deleted, so be careful with that. And then next command that can be used with usermod is -L, this switch. This is used to change the username of that particular user. For example, if you want to change the username of the Sean to Mark, you can use this command usermod -L, Mark and Sean. So this is the new username. After that, you can also use lock or unlock the particular user account. So to lock the user account with the name Sean, you can use this command usermod -L. It will lock that user account. That user will not be able to log in. Then to unlock that user, you have to use this command called as usermod -U, and then that user will be able to log in with his credentials. After that, there is -D switch, which can be used to set the home directory for that particular user, and -M is used to move that particular contents of the existing directory into the new directory. So this is the new directory for the user, and existing directory contents will be moved to this particular directory with this help of -M switch. Then next is -S. S stands for the shell. So here we can change the default shell for the user, and here you can give the path of the shell. After that, next command is -U 777 Sean. So what it does is that it changes the user ID of that particular user account. So any user has got the user ID, and if you want to change the user ID of the user account, you can use this particular command with -u switch. So this is the new user ID for that user. And lastly, this command is used to set the primary group for that particular user. So this is same as this command. So here, instead of giving the ID of the group, here you have given the name of that group, and in this case we have given the ID of that group, to which that will be the primary group for that particular user. So these are different usermod commands that are available in Linux. Just you can try them and then explore them more. If you like this video, hit like button.